In the heart of Pune's Bavdhan area, a tragedy unfolded. A helicopter carrying a trio of 2 pilots and an engineer met a disastrous end. The aircraft, identified as VTEVV, was operated by Heritage Aviation and had just left the helipad when it crashed, bursting into flames upon impact. All 3 aboard lost their lives in this heartbreaking incident. This flight was chartered by the Nationalist Congress Party, destined for Mumbai. And while the cause of the crash remains unknown, speculation points towards the dense fog that swallowed the city that day. This is not the first time Pune has witnessed such a calamity. Recall the recent helicopter crash in Pune village. 4 occupants survived, yet marred by injuries. The skies of Pune seem to murmur a cautionary tale.